Bibla open is la phone A06. A06 lock Google FRP. So I'm go through to Bibla open is la phone. By me opening using I'm looking at lock message and unauthorized attempt has been made to reset your device to affected device. Connect to Wi-Fi. So yeah, we'll connect now. Your phone was factory reset, enter password to unlock it. So minus all password. Try my login, but try again in 8 hours. So phone am lock. Okay, let me switch him off. Let me unlock him one time. Prime tool. So prime tool to me, I'm downloading things and start. Prime tool. Download prime tool. Open prime tool now. Okay, before me open la phone and me switch open, switch open is. So me open la tool now, me open in the web looking. Okay, now me open him now, me select him A06 and brand la phone. Now be me open him here. My USB, we plug USB type C. Hello computer. Okay, me click lo A06 finish. Now me click lo remove FRP. Me click lo remove FRP. Okay, me click lo FRP remove now. Now I'm plugging USB now the phone, lock phone. Plug in. And pair up a player. So I'm going to charge come out now. I'm going to and then when we plug him again. Second round. So now I'm looking green to light baka mabla. Green light come up and phone open finish. I'm open finish. So I'm charge phone but charge now. Phone I'm open finish. So successfully me open him A06 finish. Now me on him now by looking. Sim saja. Now me on him by looking. Phone me reset him finish. Me rosim FRP lock. Now phone I'm unlock finish. Okay, plug and looking phone I'm on now. Now me back on, I go, now I'm gonna open him. Skip him. Pero si SIM card basta, SIM card está inside na disturbing me. La SIM card está inside la phone so. Mara si la SIM card now. Okay, mara si SIM card. SIM card está inside now, but disturbing. And open it. Okay, mara si SIM card. Mara si SIM card number open. Skip him, skip. Next, yeah, don't copy. Don't copy. Now you open in point mesh. Skip, skip. Finish. So now I've taken the game phone and open. Well, settings now I'm going to checking brand new phone. Brand new phone A06. So yeah, thank you so much. If you want to lock phone, you can carry company me or inbox me now. Open the phone. Thank you.